How to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your CapCut. Make sure you are using the latest version of CapCut app. Now head towards the video in which you want to remove the sound. Open it. Firstly, let me play this video. How to sync audio and video in CapCut. You can see that this video includes sound. Now the first way to remove the sound is click on the clip. With that, at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of volume, click on it. Now slide this icon to the left and set it to 0. With that, the sound will be removed from this video. Now you can play the video. Likewise, another thing you can do is directly click on this option given over here, mute audio clip. With that, the sound will be removed. After you do that, you can export this video. That's where you can easily remove sound from any video using CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.